Welcome to Knackly. We're excited to get you started in accessing and navigating your Knackly workspaces. Within your first 24 hours with us at Knackly, you'll receive an email with a custom URL. This URL is how you'll access your workspace. Additionally, the email will tell you which email address is linked to your account. These two pieces of information are used to sign into your workspaces. Let's take a look at the online workspace. The online workspace is where you access your finished records, the client intake, and you can edit some additional features. First, let's look at the landing page. Your landing page will begin blank, but as you complete intakes and create records, the landing page will display your records, like this. But for now, let's look at the blank landing page. At Knackly, we refer to your landing page as the dashboard. By selecting this button, which is personalized for you based on what you need, you can access the dashboard. Let's take a look at the other side of the window. This is the Designer tab. This tab is where any automation tools are located. Then we have the Catalog tab. Catalogs are used to create and maintain dashboards, so you could have multiple dashboards. The question icon is our help feature. This navigates you to our support page. You always have access to our support here at Knackly. Finally, the profile icon will lead you to additional settings and advanced features. Our goal at Knackly is to cut your time down. This means we need to take a look at our automation tools. Let's go ahead and look at the Designer tab. There's a lot going on here, so let's take it in bite-sized pieces. First, we have the Elements column. Elements are where you can add, edit, and delete object models, tables, and queries. Models, tables, and queries can be used for multiple catalogs. You'll notice there are different icons and formatting for each item in this column. First is a catalog. You'll notice the text is capitalized with the first initial caps of each word, and there is a stacked bin icon. Catalogs are where all information about a collection of apps is stored. We'll talk more about this in the future. The next item is an object model. You'll notice that these are entirely lowercase and are identified by the box icon. Models store variables you might use in multiple catalogs. Moving down, the next icon we see is the small grid. This represents tables. Tables store information you may use in multiple catalogs. Finally, the query icon is three circles stacked atop each other. Queries bridge the gap between multiple catalogs. This is a pretty advanced feature that you can learn more about later. Moving on from the Elements column, you'll see that you still have access to your dashboard by selecting the Personalize button up here. Now, let's look at the next column, Details. By default, you'll see variables first. This is because variables are the first building block in automating documents. There are 8 types of variables, all which are designed to collect specific data. You can learn more about variables in a future lesson. Next are templates. Templates are where you house your templates. You can also utilize templates to string together variables which can be used in your documents. The following tab is Formulas. Formulas are created to combine data together. There are 5 types of formulas that you can learn about later. The Layouts tab is where you control what and how users see the app intake. Lastly, the Apps tab. This is where you can create apps. You link them to your template, and then they are sent to your dashboard where you or a user can complete the app. Finally, you still have access to the options we covered earlier: catalogs, help, and your profile. Thank you for watching. We at Knackly are excited to see your success and support you along your journey.